Arshad and I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to Munnar. As you can see, I'm standing in front of the bus right now. I'm gonna go in that. It's gonna take 8 hours to reach. It's actually 6 hours, but for lunch, breakfast, it's gonna take 8 hours. It will reach about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And if you want to see the whole bus, I have uploaded a short. Make sure you watch that to see the whole bus tour. And I'll see you all in Munnar. I am in Munnar. So I stopped by to eat lunch. I ate Szechuan fried rice. All of my other cousins also got fried rice. It's our little favorite. And then there are veg pulao, veg biryani, other stuff. It's a veg restaurant. And we are gonna go to the hotel or room. It's about 1 kilometer away right now. I'll keep you updated. Atupatti Dam. Look at this place. We are on a bridge. Look. It's raining and the wind is blowing crazy. The umbrella just flipped to the other side. Damn. Look at the wind. Look at the wind. Look at the water over there. Oh my god. It's going so hard, guys. Look at the water. The wind is literally blowing so hard. Look. Look at the umbrella. Oh my god. What is going down over here? It's crazy. One of the umbrella broke, I guess. One of the umbrellas broke. Okay, I don't know where we'll go next. But, hello. I know I look like an NPC, but still, it's good because as I told you, it's raining really heavily and it's really windy. And look, it's really loose for me. You cannot even see me. So there was a red alert today. It's still raining. I don't know how are we gonna go. My legs are really dirty. I'm wearing an open slipper and there is full mud on the ground. Full mud. It's really dirty and it's really uncomfortable when mud gets on your feet. And yeah, I don't know where we'll go next, but I'll see you all there. Very rainy. It's officially day 2, guys, and this is my small cousin brother. It's his birthday today. And today we have to go to real estate and museum maybe. We have to eat breakfast also, and that is my sister Alia, my cousin's sister Rumana. Okay, as I said, we have to eat breakfast. We have to get in the bus. Wow. And yeah, it's gonna take some time, I guess. I'll see you at tea estate or the museum. Okay, so we decided that we are gonna eat here. I don't know what this name is. It's not written, but it is the place where the cactus garden is. We ate Szechuan noodles, not fried rice, noodles this time, and chicken biryani, Kerala style, and chicken 65, squid. I tried squid for the first time and it was not that bad. It was kind of like fish, but it was chewy like rubber. So next we are going for elephant riding. I really don't know if I'm gonna do it, because how tall is an elephant? How big is an elephant? And look at me. I'm short. So I'll check if I can get on. I am excited. Yeah, I'll see you at the elephant park. Okay, we are at the elephant park. So we couldn't ride it, but we fed it. And this is gonna be our last dinner in Munnar. We are in Alibaba restaurant, and this is my cousin brother Zayan. Hello. So this is gonna be our last dinner. We are in Alibaba restaurant. You can basically get some grills and stuff. So I was right. Yesterday was the last dinner in Munnar. We are leaving today. We are packing up all the luggages, putting it in the bus, van, whatever. And we actually went to Wonder Valley, but we didn't go. We just saw the place. If you watch the whole video, let's see. Comment down Wonder Valley and make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.